Okay, y'all, I'm in my car about to go to work. As you can see, I got on my little purple bonnet because it was raining today. But I just want to show you guys my hair. I did my hair 2 days ago and it's been wrapped ever since, y'all, because it's just something about keeping your hair wrapped for as long as you can. That is so amazing. Look at that shine. Hold on, because this looks crazy. Gotta get my part together.
Somebody tell me what she uses in her hair to get that boneless butter, like, because she did that herself. She did that herself. She didn't go to a store or a salon or a person, somebody's apartment. She did that herself. My hair, like this, yes, it's a braid out, right? Also, do I cover it when I go into the shower? No. Should I? Yes, leave me alone. Outside of that, I know how to take care of it. I know how to maintain the silkiest silk press. You saw how her hair went whew, boneless. Like she put the silk in silk press. There was no press. It was like a caress. It was like a suavemente kind of thing. I would love for my hair to be able to do that, for me to do that to what products does she use? If you have the knowledge, the insight, the foresight, the insider information, what if you can get your hair to do like that, or if you know somebody who has what's her straightener? What, because she's not posting it on TikTok. And I know somebody out there knows. I know one of you guys knows or has the ability to do that, or you know a creator on here that does that. Look at all this. Look at all of that. I would love to have my, as problematic as the Disney version is, I want to have my Pocahontas moment, right? I want to paint with all the colors of the wind with this thing. But unfortunately, it's not unfortunate. I love my volume. But sometimes, I want the people behind me in the movie theater to see something also. Like, I wouldn't mind if they also got the chance to see the last half of Wakanda Forever. Like, that would be a blessing for them. But it's also not about them. It's about me. I'm a Libra sun. I'm a Leo moon. I live for a vibe. I live for an aesthetic. Like my aesthetic, but I also want other people to feel the aesthetic. Jesus. So sorry. Got way too passionate. Jesus, got way too passionate. Okay. Let me try another approach that's a little bit less in your face. Friends, colleagues, associates, loved ones, followers, friends, community, country folk, warriors, blessings that I have not met yet. If you happen to know what I need to do to get my hair to be like that, I will be forever indebted. Well, I'm not good at hair, right? Like I've just been it's a two-part thing, right? Like I've been blessed with a lot of hair, but I've also been cursed with a lot of hair. She a fuzzy girl, right? Also, this is way too much to take care of. It's way too much. It's a part-time job. Should I also be working right now? Yes. But this is why I'm a freelancer. Because I should probably check those emails. Doesn't matter. I'm focused, guys. If you have a straightener that can provide those results, and ideally like a heat protectant. Like, I don't want to lose my curls in the process, but I want to be able to switch it up, Like when Meg Thee Stallion said, switch my wig, make him feel like he's cheating. Like, I just want to be able to switch my hair, give him something to believe in. You know what I mean? Like, I think you're picking up what I'm putting down. That was beautiful. Truly, 10 out of 10. I couldn't recommend a silkier silk press to anybody. I'm going to show it to my mom. My mom's going to be like, wow. But you know what? I'm going to need to remind my mom that is not, we're going to say that's not a perm. Is that a perm? Hold up. No, you know what? I don't even need to check because I've had my hair like that And I've been natural since high school. I just need to know what product she uses. Please share them in the comments. Scream them into the ether at a specific frequency so that way I could ideally pick it up. But ideally in the comments would be great. Yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. Thank you. Blessings to you. Help me be the vibe that we both always knew I could be. That is all.